Hello, everyone! Let's explore some handy TUKAcad shortcuts. Today, we'll see how to create a double T-notch. Let's begin. Select the Notch tool by pressing the N key. Set the first notch at 3.5 from the previous point. Then, set the second notch at 0.5 from the previous point. Now comes the key step. Delete the grade point on the second notch and select Yes to reset the notch to the previous point. Make sure the notch width is set to 1/2 inch and confirm that the From Previous option is selected. At this stage, the second notch becomes part of the same grade point as the first notch, so when you move the grade point along the contour, both notches move together. As you can see, the second notch maintains a 1/2 inch distance from the first notch. This means you only need to grade one grade point instead of two. And that's how you can efficiently create a double T-notch in TUKAcad.